Today we're going to go through some more wings. There is a wing episode prior to this which is in the link below, and you need to watch that first because that's broken the wings down a little bit more for you. So first of all, I'll just recap very basically, because I've covered this in the last wing episode, of semi-wings and preparation wings. So preparation wings, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A lot of people are not sure because the theory has been set by the examination boards and doesn't clearly explain the third beat of the wings. So look very carefully. 1, 2, 3. The third one is just on the spot again, and is sometimes actually used when we're doing 2 feet doing the wings, which is called a double wing, that little jump first, because it's very hard if you're a beginner to just make a double wing, i.e. what I've just done, but on both feet at the same time straight away for a beginner. So you need that little prep first. But when we're practicing semi-wings, we put it on the end. 1, 2, 3. So 2 is actually tapping, coming back in, and the third one is on the spot, or would be the jump to start another. So that's basically recap that a little bit for you. As I say, that's much more clearly shown in the previous edition, but I don't like to keep going over things. If you're watching the whole series, I don't like to repeat. So I refer you back to a video where I've covered these things before. So that's your preparation wing. I have also done a video for you with the wing theory, because if you're taking proper tap exams, you are expected to also say the theory of dance steps, whether it be ballet, tap or anything else. So that's a good way of seeing if you're doing proper dance exams, because if you don't know theory or have to say them in your exams, then it's obviously just about dancing, not about understanding what you're doing. And also be noted that when you say a theory of something in an exam, if you then just go off and do it a different way to the actual theory, your theory gets marked down because you might be parroting the answer without understanding it. So be very sure that in exams, if you're saying theory, that when you dance it, you're actually doing what the theory says to do and how to do it and what part of the foot to use, etc. So a little note for you there. So now we're going to do all the steps that are in my theory wing episode, and this is a demonstration of those wings. So 3 beat wing from both feet. So 3 beat wing from both feet is actually what we call a double wing. So we're going to make that little jump first. So we're going to make that little jump first. And that is your 3 beat wing from 2 feet. So now we're going to do the 3 beat wing from 1 foot, or more commonly known as a wing on 1 foot. So we're going to make that little jump first on 1 foot. So it's a hop. And that's your wing on 1 foot, or 3 beat wing on 1 foot. Remember, practice those on both feet. You will find a stronger foot, but it's more important to always practice on your weaker foot, and then you will strengthen that too. Now we're going to do 3 beat wing changing, or more commonly known, wing changes. So it's a wing on 1 foot landing on the opposite foot. And it's very important when you do those not to let your arms flap about, which is a common mistake. 3 beat wing from 1 foot with toe tap. This is a step you actually see very much in the old-fashioned black and white movies where they have tap dancing. So this is probably the oldest style of wing that you will see. So it's a wing on one foot finished with a toe tap. So wing on one foot, finish with a toe tap. Remember, a toe tap finishes off the ground. So here we go. I'll show you that one the other way round. A 3-beat pendulum wing. Look out for my series on how to do pendulums before attempting this. So I'm not going to explain it because you need to watch the pendulum video before attempting this. But it's basically wing pendulum, wing pendulum, wing pendulum. And the other way. 5-beat wing with heel and toe tap. This is basically your wing on one foot. The foot that's done the wing you do the heel beat with, and then toe tap behind with the other foot. So wing, heel, toe, wing, heel, toe, wing, heel, toe, wing, heel, toe. Show you that the other way round. Wing, heel, toe, wing, heel, toe, wing, heel, toe, wing, heel, toe. Don't forget, extra beats that you need to make the amount of beats is to do a little preparation jump first. A 5-beat wing with shuffle is a wing on one foot with a shuffle of the other foot, and you can choose to shuffle in any direction. So we have wing, shuffle, wing, shuffle, wing, shuffle. And remember, shuffles are fast, but I'm showing you to demonstrate. And again, remember, you want to do that little hop if you're doing a wing on one foot, or a jump if you're doing a wing on 2 feet to start to get the right amount of beats. But I'm just showing you the full concept of the wing shuffle. Wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle. Let's show you with the shuffle to the side now. It's a little bit more complicated. Wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle. The other way round. So shuffles forward. Wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle. And to the side. Wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle, wing shuffle. And that is all the demonstrations for all the wings that I have in the Theory of Wings video. So if you want to remember how to do them, go and write down the theory of them to help you practice. And don't forget about where to get that extra beat from. So until next time, happy dancing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Until next time, goodbye.